Hey gearheads, welcome back to your ultimate source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're diving into a car that's been the talk of the town, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36. Buckle up, because this is one ride you won't want to miss. First off, let's talk design. The R36 has been completely reimagined, blending aggressive styling with sleek aerodynamics. From its menacing front grille to its sculpted rear, every inch of this car screams performance and sophistication. Check out these sharp LED headlights and the revamped front fascia. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to reduce drag while enhancing downforce, making this beauty as efficient as it is fast. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of luxury and innovation. The interior is adorned with premium leather, wood trim, and brushed metal accents. The spacious cabin offers seating for up to 7 passengers, ensuring everyone travels in comfort and style. The new infotainment system is a game-changer. It's intuitive, responsive, and comes with all the connectivity options you could ever need. And the seats. Pure comfort, with enough support to handle those high-speed corners. Now, let's get to the heart of the beast. Under the hood, the 2025 GT-R R36 boasts a twin-turbo V6 engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 600 horsepower. Paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, this car is built for speed and precision. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising the highway, the R36 delivers unmatched performance. The acceleration is blistering, the handling is razor-sharp, and the braking system ensures you're always in control. But Nissan didn't stop at just performance. The R36 is packed with cutting-edge safety features and driver assistance technologies. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, this car has got you covered. So, there you have it, the 2025 Nissan GT-R R36. A perfect blend of power, technology, and style. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. And it's ready to take on anything the road throws at it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the new GT-R R36. Until next time, keep driving.